Hey, hi, Kiran this side from Blizzard. If you are looking something for your beautiful legs, if you want toned legs, if you want to increase your muscle strength, if you want to bring definition in your leg, this equipment I'm gonna show you is amazing. You can add this in your routine. This is very helpful in your practice, Pilates, any kind of other workouts you will do, strength training workouts. Okay, so this equipment is ankle weight. This is amazing and I love the color, and this is really easily adjustable. Okay, you can check the quality is amazing, on top notch. The quality is amazing, and I got it from Amazon for 1788. If you have the bank cards, some like this, like different credit cards, then you can get the bit of discount on this, so you can get this for your amazing beautiful legs. So I got this pair, and each one is of 1 kg. And yes, for beginners, remember you have to first practice in your body weight, using your body weight, and then slowly add these weights. Okay, you don't have to jump on weights directly. And this is really helpful for injury recovery also, because when we do flexibility training, stretchings and all, we get injured sometimes. And I was injured too while practicing split, and my hamstring was injured for 3 months. Yes, 3 months. And when I added this in my leg routine, my injury is better in 2 days. Believe me, and this is really helpful. Strength training is must when you practice stretchings to bring flexibility in your body. So this is helpful for your hands also. You can tie in your wrist and ankle. You have to do any kind of workout, you can use this equipment. Okay, so I will show you how to tie ankle. So yeah, so when you practice, you can just move your legs like this. You will feel the difference, right? And you can also do here also. Okay, if you want to. My hands are very clean. Here is the belt where you can stick this. Nice. Okay, so like this. Oh, this is my bracelet. I'm in love with this bracelet. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, if you want to do some arms workout, okay, so you can add this. You can do that arms workout as well. Oh, amazing. So yeah, add this equipment in your routine and get the result amazing. Hope you found out this video helpful and informative. Whoever already using these weights, please share your experience with me in comments. And beginners, if you have any queries related to this, you can write down in comments. I am here to help you. I will be coming with more equipments which I use in my workout. So stay tuned. This gonna be helpful for you. Okay, bye.